less than, or fewer than. Matthew Cantu wants to compare this group of jackets and this group of scarves. He wants to know which group is less, or has fewer objects. Draw a line from the first jacket to the first scarf. Draw a line from the second jacket to the second scarf. There are not enough scarves in the second group to match each jacket in the first group. The second group is less than, or has fewer objects than, the first group. Draw a circle around the group of scarves. Here is a group of shirts and a group of shorts. We'll compare the two groups and draw a circle around the group that is less, or has fewer objects. Draw lines to match each shirt to one pair of shorts. The two groups are not the same. The group of shorts has fewer objects than the group of shirts, so we'll draw a circle around the group of shorts. Now we have a group of sweaters and a group of skirts to compare. We will compare the two groups and draw a circle around the group that has less. Draw a line from each sweater to a skirt. There are not enough sweaters to match each skirt. The group of sweaters has fewer objects than the group of skirts. We'll draw a circle around the group of sweaters.